life dedicated to helping others.
Most of my career has been focused on youth and families.
Tanya Merritt Malumba is a single mom who went to school for social work.
I really just had a strong desire to help people.
And a work life dedicated to service means Tanya could qualify for public service loan forgiveness. Established in '07 under President George W. Bush, PSLF is for people who work for a nonprofit or the government. To be eligible, borrowers need to make 120 student loan payments and work at least 10 years for a qualifying employer.
You have to read the fine print, and you had to do your due diligence, turn in your yearly certifications and all those kinds of things.
And because PSLF is different than President Biden's recently announced one-time forgiveness, Tanya wants to know, should she apply for the new program if she's on track to get all of her federal loans forgiven through the existing public service program?
You don't have to pick between the two programs.
Cecilia Clark with NerdWallet suggests casting a wide net.
If you are eligible for both and you will still have debt after the one-time cancellation, you can still benefit from public service loan forgiveness.
Let's break down the differences between PSLF and one-time forgiveness, starting with income. PSLF, no income limit. One-time, you need to earn less than $125,000. Next, Indiana state taxes. For PSLF, no, and one-time forgiveness, yes. Finally, value. For PSLF, it's whatever's left after 120 payments. One-time is up to $10,000 in cancellation, or $20,000 if you're a Pell Grant recipient.
If you get the $10K or $20K forgiveness while you're still working for PSLF, it doesn't change your monthly payment.
Payments so Tanya can be debt-free by 50.
And that's $2,000 extra I can pay on my mortgage. For me, that makes a big difference.
So it really is worth noting that the public service program came under a lot of heat for not working. Isn't that right, Allison?
Yeah, so people had supposedly done everything they were supposed to do. They called, they certified everything, still no forgiveness. So in order to kind of clean up the program, the government is relaxing some of the requirements to make more loan payments count toward eligibility or forgiveness. But in order to get that, you do need to fill out a waiver, and that waiver is only available for 2 more weeks. So Halloween is the deadline to make some extra payments count toward PSLF if you're someone who is working toward that.